Hello friends, today I am going to show you the unique way of reuse of old sarees. So let's see the materials. Cut a strip lengthwise from the saree and twist it as directed. In this way, you have to make the round shape, the sides as per your choice. Here I am making a small one. Now you have to stitch it properly. Now stitch 5 of them. Make 2 more rows. Place 3 rows as per direction and now stitch the rows. While stitching, place one circle in between the 2 circles of the lower row. After stitching the rows, you have to stitch 2 ends also, as you can see. Now take one medium sized circle and stitch it to any one open side. Okay, done. Now give it a beautiful look. I just love this look. Put string light in it and use as a night lamp. Or you can use it as a flower vase. Please tell me, how was that? For second project, you need one big circle and 5 small circles. Stitch small circles with the big circle as per direction. So stitching is complete. Make this for hanging on the wall. Now you can hang it on the wall. On the big circle, you can paste any photographs or any paintings. Here I am going to paste this painting which is drawn by my sister. I have cut the painting as per its shape. You can do it also. It's time for a final touch. So let's do it. I have colored this painting to make it more attractive. Do you like it? Please tell me. For our third project, you need any book or any copy that is rectangular in shape. Now twist a strip that is cut from the saree around it. After making first round, stitch it. Now make 2 or 3 rounds more. Stitch 4 corners properly. Then stitch middle of the 4 sides each. Make some circle with leftover parts of different sides. Now place them as per your choice. Now attach them with the frame by stitching. Also attach one circle with another circle. Now twist the leftover part and attach it with the frame. Now stitching is done. With the help of acrylic color, paint flowers. Give it finishing touch. Do this for hanging it on the wall. If you like my ideas and want to see more new ideas, please subscribe my channel and also like, share and comment. Thank you.